What is a water distribution system? Well, I guess that you already know this if you are wanting to learn water distribution modeling, but for completeness sake, and if anyone is just starting out, I will give a short walkthrough of what water distribution systems are. A water distribution system is a technical system that is made for the purpose of delivering potable water from treatment plants to consumers in residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Its goal is to deliver enough water with adequate pressure that is safe to consume. In addition to this, the water distribution system has to be able to provide enough water for firefighting purposes. Besides the water treatment plant, the facility that treats the water so that it can be consumed, the main components of a water distribution system are the pipes where water moves within, pumps that help to move the water through the system, and the storage reservoirs, where water can be stored for consistent supply. There are other components that aid the system in providing the functionality it needs to be able to achieve its goals, like pressure-reducing valves. These valves lower the pressure to a desired point so that the system don't get too high pressures, which can damage the system. Pumps and pressure-reducing valves are essential components in a water distribution system because they provide the water utilities with the means to create pressure zones, which we will talk about more in depth in later videos. There are basically two types of water distribution systems: gravity systems and pumped systems. For gravity systems, the natural elevation differences are used to pressurize the system. Pumped systems utilize pumps to be able to deliver the water through the pipe network. In many cases, the terrain in an area dictates that one needs a hybrid approach of gravity and pumped systems in order to deliver the water throughout the system. So that's it for the brief explanation of what water distribution systems are. There are a lot of challenges these systems need to be able to handle, and we will look at these in future videos.